Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 10 space facts that sound completely made up, but are actually 100% real. And by the end of this video, you might never look at the universe the same way again. Number 10. Space smells like burnt steak. Astronauts who've returned from their spacewalks say their suits smell like seared meat, hot metal, or welding fumes after coming back inside the spacecraft. Scientists think this strange smell comes from high-energy particles reacting with oxygen outside the station. Basically, outer space has its own weird barbecue scent. Number 9. There is a planet where it rains glass sideways. The planet is called HD 189733b, and it is around 63 light-years away. Winds there move faster than 5,000 miles per hour, and the atmosphere contains tiny glass particles that blast sideways across the planet. Imagine getting caught in a storm of razor blades. Number 8. 1 day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Venus. Venus rotates so slowly that it takes 243 Earth days to spin once, but it only takes 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So, if you lived on Venus, your birthday would come before your day was over. Number 7. There are stars colder than fire. Some stars, called brown dwarfs, are so cool that you could technically touch one surface and survive for a few seconds, if you somehow ignore the crushing gravity and radiation. Some of them are cooler than the flame of a candle, which sounds impossible for something called a star. Number 6. Astronauts can grow taller in space. Without Earth's gravity constantly compressing the spine, astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller while living in orbit. The bad news is, once they return to Earth, gravity squishes them right back down again. Number 5. There is a giant cloud of alcohol in space. In the center of the Milky Way, astronomers discovered a massive cloud containing enough alcohol to make 400 trillion pints of beer. Unfortunately, it also contains deadly chemicals and is floating in deep space, so nobody's throwing a party there anytime soon. Number 4. Neutron stars are insanely dense. A single teaspoon of material from a neutron star would weigh around 6 billion tons on Earth. That's heavier than Mount Everest squeezed into something the size of a sugar cube. Space really does not care about normal physics. Number 3. You could cry in space, but your tears would not fall. In zero gravity, tears stick to your face and form giant floating blobs around your eyes. Astronauts have actually experienced this on the International Space Station, and yes, it looks as uncomfortable as it sounds. Number 2. There may be diamonds bigger than planets. Scientists believe some dead stars, called white dwarfs, have cores made mostly of crystallized carbon, which means they're basically gigantic diamonds floating through space. Imagine finding jewelry the size of Earth. And number 1. There is a planet made partly of burning ice. On planets like Gliese 436b, ice can exist at incredibly high temperatures because of the extreme pressure. The surface may contain burning ice that stays solid or surrounded by intense heat, which sounds more like fantasy than science. Space is full of things that sound completely impossible, but every single one of these facts is backed by real science. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and let me know which fact shocked you the most, because honestly, the universe just keeps getting weirder.